They have found a problem with rodents, which the council is seeking to resolve now. Neil McAvoy, Independent Assembly Member, South Wales Central. I'm outside another empty property in Canton in Cardiff West. If we just check out a couple of the properties next door, they've been sold. One is under offer, and really living next door to an empty property for such a long time, it's no wonder, is it? With this property you can see that the windows are bricked up, so it doesn't look as if the owner intends to do anything anytime soon really. Residents complained to us, we've got onto the council have inspected the property. They have found a problem with rodents, which the council is seeking to resolve now. The next step is to serve a notice on the owner to get that problem sorted out. What we're going to do as well is keep on to the council to encourage the owner to get this property into working order, get people in there. If they're not prepared to do that, we want to see the council stepping in, using its powers and taking over the property. So look at it, it's a perfectly good property. A family could be living there. Okay, so our campaign is having an effect now. Cardiff Council, from being the worst council in Wales with empty properties, are now starting to take action. Also at the Assembly level, we've got the Local Government Equalities and Communities Committee looking at long-term empty properties. There is a consultation which finishes at the end of May, and I'd encourage everyone to take part. So the message from me here is that our campaign on empty properties is having an effect. I'm going to keep on going. Diolch yn fawr.